Hello, beautiful job seekers. Welcome back to my channel, Remote Success. If this is your first time here, my name is Jamika, and I am your community resource advocate in finding the most legit and successful remote opportunities, gigs, and businesses. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video. So, like I said, this is my website, Remote Success, and the job that I will be detailing shortly, I will go ahead and include a link in the description at the bottom of this video, and you can go ahead and click apply just to get to my website, which is found right here, to go ahead and apply to this position. But let's just go ahead and get right into this video. This is a very interesting type of position that I found today, and it's not really, I can really say it's still, yes, it's still considered a remote position, but the nature of the work is very different from what I've been uploading so far on this channel. This this position right here is basically a flirting position where you become a chat operator, but you're just going to be texting. You're not going to be calling anyone. It's a non-phone position, but you're just going to be texting customers that's actually want someone to talk to. And basically the conversation could lead to other things, if you get what I'm saying. So with this position, I just have to go ahead and give you a disclaimer. You have to be at least 18 years of age or older due to the nature of this position. And the company that I will be talking about is called the Texton Factory. I don't know if you could see it on the screen, but it's called the Texton Factory. And let me go ahead and give you a brief overview of about what this company is. It's becoming a chat operator. Your opportunity to work as a chat operator and earn an average of $300 weekly is only minutes away. The application takes only a few minutes, and we are always in need of chat operators on our team. You would click apply now. All right, the job itself, let me go ahead and give you a detail of it. As a chat operator, you will be answering casual messages on a fantasy-based text network. So it's no phone, you're just basically texting customers. You have to be able to talk to customers about all kinds of topics. You will be assigned different roles depending on what your customer wants. Some of our clients just want to talk to someone about everyday life. Small talk about things like work, culture, weather, relationships. Your identity will not be known by customers because you will be assumed to be the person the customer is texting to. Depending on how much time and effort you put in, an average operator earns around $300 to $400 a week. That's great, guys. This can also be a lot more if you are willing to go the extra mile. We supply bonuses when we write a lot of messages and extra extensions on weekends and red days. Don't know what the red days mean. I will have to do some more research about that, or you can also research on your own. I'm just giving you, another opportunity to earn money from home. Anonymous chat only, so that's good. This will be discreet. No calling or no video, so that's still a plus. Very discreet. You're going to work anytime, anywhere, as much as you want, because why? You're basically texting, which is very easy. Don't anyone know, how you look, where you are, anything like that, because you're just texting customers via over your phone. No qualifications necessary, and then support is available 24/7. So that's still a plus. If it interests you so far, guys, you could go ahead and, veer over to the right side and start an application. The application process in the beginning is very simple. You're just going to go ahead and provide your first name, last name, and an email address, and then just give a brief little detail about your motivation for applying for this job. You're just going to go ahead and click on their terms and conditions, and then click to say that you are at least 18 years of age or older. And you would just click apply, and then just a little video about the Texting Factory. I'm not going to go over all of that. And then after that, you're just going to go ahead and apply, learn, and chat. And this is just basically about the online workplace. We give you the opportunity to plan your own time and workload. We have chat operators who work from 2 hours per week to full time. And you're going to work from anywhere, even from abroad. It's fully up to you. All right, and the advantages. You're going to join our versatile team as a chat operator and enjoy the many advantages of an online home office job. Be your own boss and work anywhere you want. Enjoy the freedom and independence, control your own time. As long as you have a stable internet connection, you can work from wherever you want, from your couch, your favorite cafe, or on the go. It doesn't matter whether you live in US or abroad. Weekly wages. Decide what your weekly paycheck should look like. Your ambition and hard work determine what you will earn. You can work part-time or full-time. It is up to you about how much you want to work. As a freelancer, you can tailor the workload to meet your needs. All right, and this right here is what you need to know before applying. You need to be fluent in English. You must be at least 18 years of age or older. You need to have a PC or a laptop, and you need, of course, a reliable internet connection. And then, once you go ahead and apply, guys, you can go ahead and read more about detail about these, about the details for applying, well, qualifications, I'm sorry, for applying for this position. You do not need any prior experience, so that's a plus, and you will be working as a freelancer, meaning an independent contractor, basically, for this position. Very important, you will need an updated personal ID card. Everything has to be updated as far as your identification. This is just basically to check if you are old enough to work for the company, 18 years or 18 years older or plus, and then you need to prevent fraud and to confirm your identity so that we can process payments to the right person. All right, so that's basically about it, guys, about what this position texting factory is for. And then once you go ahead and apply, you could look at the testimonials and everything. Go ahead and do your due diligence as far as researching more about this company. Join now. It will only take a few minutes. Once you go ahead and decide if you want to apply for this company, you just hit apply now. And yeah, that's just basically it. So I hope that this has interested you all. But I know that I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot myself as far as applying myself. Seemed like it'd be something that, that I will enjoy doing by it being anonymously due to the nature of this position. But that's all that I have for right now, guys. And I hope that you all do have success with this position if you do decide to apply. And again, this is the Texting Factory. And I am Jamika with Remote Success. And I will see you guys later in the next video. Peace and blessings unto you. Until next time.